Alright, let's install this hand-stitched steering wheel cover. Open up the box. Inside you'll find the steering wheel cover, a roll of double-sided tape, black and white thread, a needle, and a trim tool. Start by placing the cover over the steering wheel. Make sure the white center marker lines up perfectly at the top so everything is centered. Once it's positioned right, tuck the extra material along the bottom into the gaps on both the front and back sides. Now grab the black thread and cut a piece long enough to work with. Thread the needle and leave one side short and the other side long. Tie a knot at the end of the long side. To start stitching, insert the needle through the back side at the top of the cover. Wrap the long thread around the needle a few times, then pull it through and tighten it down. This locks your starting point. From here, begin your stitching pattern. Go from the top hole to the bottom hole. Pull tight. Then back from bottom to top. That's one full stitch cycle. Just keep repeating this back and forth pattern as you move along. You can go hole by hole or skip one hole at a time, depending on the look you want. When you reach the end of the black section, finish the stitch by running the needle into the first hole of the white section. On the back side, loop the thread around the needle again, pull tight, and tie it off. Then trim the excess thread. Now switch to the white thread and repeat the exact same process. Thread the needle, tie the knot, start your stitch, and continue the same back and forth pattern. If you notice any gaps or shifting around corners, you can use a bit of the double-sided tape to help hold everything in place. Once all the stitching is done, tuck any extra material neatly into the seams around the buttons and edges. Just keep going section by section until the entire wheel is fully stitched. And that's it. Your custom hand-stitched steering wheel cover is installed and looking clean.